In this video, I'm going to give you 7 keyword tools so you can start finding the keywords for your next 10K per month Amazon business. I'm going to give you the most important fundamentals for finding keywords. I'm going to give you the secret to keyword intent. You must know this if you want to get sales. And I'm going to tell you how to optimize your pages for these keywords, so make sure you stick to the end of the video because that information can make or break your business. I want to give some proof that this actually works. So here's some screenshots of us doing 300,000 in our Amazon business. And it doesn't just work for us, it works for our students as well. Here's a student making over £50,000 in his Amazon business. That's over £500,000 per year. Now, marketing your Amazon product requires the best type of keywords, so you have to understand how they work. So keep watching, and we're going to start with the fundamentals of keyword research. Now, there are 2 main categories of keywords. We're going to call them your main keywords and your secondary keywords. A main keyword, also known as a short tail keyword, is a short phrase that describes your product exactly. For example, yoga mat. A secondary keyword or long tail keyword phrase is a longer phrase that describes your product in more detail. For example, yoga mat for women. Now let's get into the top keyword tools. The first keyword tool that I'm going to give you is a keyword tool called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Chrome plugin and it gives you insights in Google and in Amazon and in YouTube and everywhere that you go. For example, if I search yoga mat for women, you can see the keyword data right here. It shows the trend data, shows related keywords, and it shows what people also search for. This is absolutely key if you're doing keyword research. Now, the next tool is called the Google Keyword Planner tool. This is one of my favorite tools, and it's the one you're always going to go back to because Google has the best data. Now, if you click into the Google Keyword Planner, you click Go to Keyword Planner, you click Discover New Keywords, and you type in yoga mat, for example, and click Get Results, and Google will tell you how many people are searching for this. As you can see, yoga mat gets 100,000 to 1 million searches, and it gives you a list of related keywords and the amount that they're searched as well. This is the best keyword tool that I use. Now, a secret tool, keyword tool number 3, is already hidden inside of Google. This is not a keyword tool, but it's very, very powerful, and I'll show you what it is. What this tool is the Google Auto Suggest tool. All you do is you type in a key phrase, and the keywords that come up are Google's best keywords. As you can see, yoga mat UK, yoga mat with position lines, yoga mat bag. It's giving you ideas for keywords and products. Now make sure you go into incognito mode as well, because then Google will not remember your history and it will give you the best results. As you can see, it gives me yoga mat bag, yoga mat strap. If I type yoga mat bag, it gives me yoga mat bag waterproof. So I can search waterproof yoga and it tells me yoga mat bag, yoga mat, waterproof yoga mat carrier. It's giving me the keywords that I need to use for my Amazon business. It's incredible. Now, even better than this is Amazon's auto suggest. If you're finding keywords for Amazon, you need to be on Amazon's main keyword tool. You're going to search yoga mat inside of their search bar, and the auto suggest tool is going to give you the best keywords. So I typed in yoga mat and I get yoga mats for women, yoga mat non-slip, yoga mat thick. It's giving you the best keywords that people are searching for right now on Amazon. This is so important if you're selling on Amazon because you need to know what Amazon customers are searching for in your niche. Now, there's another tool hidden away in Google, which I'm going to take you back to now. In Google, let's say I search waterproof yoga mat. If you scroll to the bottom, they have a hidden section called searches related to your keyword that you typed in. And in this section, you have other keywords. It gives you searches related, so you know that these are keywords that your target audience is searching for. This is one of the best ways to find related keywords for your product that you may not have thought of. Now, there's another tool that most people don't talk about. This is a paid tool, and it's called Merchant Words. This is a keyword tool specifically for Amazon data. Personally, The last time I used this tool, it was a bit exaggerated results. I prefer just using the Google Keyword Planner tool, but you're on this video, so I'm giving you all the tools so you can decide for yourself. There is another tool that I found recently called the TubeBeast tool. I use this keyword tool specifically for YouTube, but it's got such a good keyword tool built in, I've been using it for Amazon as well. This is the TubeBeast tool, and you can get started for free. Inside the tool, they have the YouTube keyword tool and advanced topic research. Now, I know what you're saying, this is just for YouTube, but keywords are part of people's psychology and they are everywhere. If they're searching them on Google, if they're searching them on YouTube, they're going to be searching them on Amazon. And this tool uses AI to tell you how good and how competitive a keyword is. So I type in yoga mat and it collects all the data for you. And it tells you how competitive these keywords are. Yoga mat thick, yoga mat Manduka. It's giving you different keywords that you should focus on. A thick yoga mat, a cheap yoga mat. You need to know these different keywords if you're starting to sell this product on Amazon. So that is the 7 tools that I like to use. But before you go, I have a bonus tool number 8, I'm going to share with you at the end of this video. But don't skip to it, because I have to tell you about the most important thing behind keywords, and that is keyword intent. Now, there are different styles of keywords with different intent behind them. There are buying keywords and there are browsing keywords. So if someone searches on Google, buy a yoga mat, or if someone searches on Google, best yoga mat, which one is more likely that they're going to be purchasing? The one who's typing in, I want to buy it, or the one who's typing in, I just want to look for them? When you do keyword research, you want to make sure you use your brain and you know the difference between buyers keywords and browsing keywords. As you can see in the Google keyword tool, buy yoga mat has 1 to 10,000 searches and best yoga mat has 1 to 10,000 searches. They have the same amount of searches, but a completely different buyer intent. Now, you can also use the Google keyword tool to find other product ideas. Just searching for these 2 keywords made me find extra thick yoga mat, best yoga bags, best cork yoga mat, and so many other types of products that even if you didn't sell the main product, you have tons of other ideas to actually sell. I found yoga towel, yoga mat bag, yoga bag, a travel yoga mat. There is so many other types of products that you can sell. Now, another way to find keywords is to spy on your competitors. This is one of my favorite ways to find good keywords that I hadn't thought of, as if you don't have enough techniques to find keywords already. So let's go over to Amazon and see what our competitors' keywords are. Going over to their pages, all you have to do is look at the titles, and already I found non-slip. That's a keyword. Multiple people using this. Exercise mat instead of just yoga mat. Pilates mat we found before. So now we've got Pilates mat, exercise mat, non-slip yoga mat. You can see tons of keywords just from spying on the best-selling competitors. Since those competitors have already optimized their pages, you know that the keywords that they're using are the best keywords to use. Now you've got all of these keywords, you have to know how to market your product using these keywords. You've come to the most important part of the video, where I'm going to be talking about marketing your product using these keywords. Where do you put them? How do you use them? And to show you this, I'm going to take you inside the back end of our Amazon account, and I'm going to use the keyword dog comb. So here I'm on my dog comb listing, and you can see the title is doggy dog comb. That's one of the locations that you put your keyword. As you can see, I've got double-sided dog comb as one of the keywords. Thickest dog hair, that's a keyword. And you can edit the title by changing the product name right here, and you put the keywords in there. You also want to go into the description tab, and inside the description you write best dog comb, dog hair as a keyword, and finally in the bullets as well. You want to put keywords in the bullets. Dog shedding, our dog comb, stainless steel. You can see that we're putting the keywords in all the parts of the listing. There's also the keyword tab. So you want to put your keywords in this keyword tab. As you can see, dog comb, brush, grooming. Now there's a specific way to do these keywords. You just have to put the single keywords one after each other with no commas and no spaces and no repeats. Another secret tip. is when you upload your images, make sure that the file name includes your keyword. This is something most people forget. On your computer, before you upload the image, change the file name to dogcomb and upload it so Amazon can see that the file name is relevant to your listing. And within the images as well, you want to show the keyword because Amazon's AI can read text inside of images, so say stainless steel dog comb in your images as well. Now there is another technique that we may not have time for in this video, but it's about using the keyword in the anchor text of your backlinks. When you create a link online, a part of that text, the phrase, is hyperlinked back to your Amazon page or linked to somewhere. I'll show you an example of this right now in Word, but it works the same online. So I've got the keyword best yoga mat for women. And now I've selected the keyword yoga mat and I've hyperlinked it to wherever your Amazon page is. Now that keyword yoga mat is the anchor text because it's the text that anchors the page back to this page. So they're anchored together through this text. That's what an anchor text is. Every anchor text phrase that Google sees makes your page more relevant and more optimized for that specific keyword. You want to create many backlinks, they're called, on blogs, on forums, on websites, where keywords that you want to be optimized for are linked. Like Pilates yoga mat is the keyword for this phrase. But if you wanted to be optimized for Pilates yoga mat for women, then you would simply hyperlink the entire phrase. Now the entire phrase links back to your Amazon account and Amazon will see that it's more optimized for that specific keyword phrase. Now there is so much more that I could say about search engine optimization and keywords and backlinks and all that stuff, so leave a comment below if you'd like me to make a video on that subject. Now before you go, I promised you a bonus tool, so here it is. This bonus tool is called Answer the Public. It's a really powerful tool and it tells you tons about what people are searching for related to your keyword. So I'm typing in yoga mat and I click search. Let's see what this awesome tool comes up with. And you can see the visualization here. It's beautiful. They break it down into questions that people might ask. Can a yoga mat be washed? Can a yoga mat be recycled? Which yoga mat is best? And they break it down with different types of questions as well. And if you scroll down, they have an alphabetic list of all the different types of keywords. Now you can download these as a CSV file, and then you can upload them to the Google Keyword Planner tool in order to get Google's data on it. So you can start combining these tools to get the absolute best results. Now, before you run off and use all of these awesome tools that I've just suggested and the advice that I've given you, please consider hitting that subscribe button because I will be coming out with more videos on marketing, SEO, Amazon related content. So hit that subscribe button so you get notified and click the notification bell just in case you miss it. That would be awesome. If you want to keep watching to find out how to build your Amazon business, then I'm going to link another video and make sure you comment below letting me know that you want to see that video on SEO. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.